Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Tuta Mail Guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tuta Mail inbox not loading issues. Whether your inbox is stuck on a loading screen, showing a blank page, taking too long to open, or failing to display emails, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to get things working again. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Tuta Mail requires a stable connection to load your mailbox and synchronize emails. Try opening a few other websites or apps to make sure your network is working properly. Next, refresh the Tuta Mail page or restart the Tuta Mail app if you're using a mobile device. Temporary loading glitches can often be resolved with a simple restart. If you're accessing Tuta Mail through a web browser, try opening it in a private or incognito window. This can help identify whether browser extensions, cookies, or cached data are causing the issue. Another useful step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can sometimes prevent inbox content from loading correctly. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers may have compatibility issues that affect modern web applications like Tuta Mail. For mobile users, verify that the Tuta Mail app is updated. Installing the latest version can resolve bugs that may be affecting inbox performance, and that's how to fix Tuta Mail inbox not loading issues. By checking your connection, browser settings, app updates, and account session, you can resolve most loading problems and regain full access to your mailbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.